Yes, good morning children. So, as you know, our GK book is consist of 7 units. So, in the last period only, we have started the third number unit, that is the environment, world and its people. Right? So, what we saw in that, first we saw the different types of landmarks. Landmarks means famous historical monuments, and then after saw the information about the different tribes of India. Tribes means a group of people and they are following their own rituals and they are living together. They are known as tribes. Okay. So today we are going to see the next lesson or next point of this unit, that is long ago and far away, which is there on the page number 34 of your GK book. Right? It means everyone, you have to open your GK textbook page number 34. Today we are going to see the page number 34 and page number 35. Yes children. So here is long ago and far away. So what we have to do here is name these people from the history. Now children, here are some famous people. The photos or the images of the famous people are given and the description is given there. So we have to read the description and according to that we have to observe the picture also, and then we have to write their name on that line. So everyone, you all are ready with the pencil? If not, then please take your pencil, sharp it properly and write in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, I am using the E tool, but you have to write in neat handwriting. So the first question is, he was a great general. He loved his horse Bucephalus. It is the name of a horse, Bucephalus, very much, and built a city in its memory. Who was he, children? See, here is the picture. Who is riding the horse? Bucephalus. He loved his horse very much, and there is a big city in its memory. So who was he? What is the name? You have any idea? You know about him? Yes, so here we will write down his name, and the name is Alexander the Great. Everyone, write with me, write the spelling properly. Alexander. 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 And in front of that only, in bracket, you will write the Great. Bracket complete. So the first one answer is Alexander the Great. Okay. Now we'll read the second one. He was an Egyptian king, boy king. His tomb was found over 3000 years after his death. His coffin was made up of solid gold. See here in the picture. This is the coffin which is made up of solid gold. So who was he? He was the Egyptian boy king, and his tomb was found over 3000 years after his death. And his coffin was made up of solid gold. Who was he? Yes, you know, write down. His name was Tutankhamun. Write down the spelling. I will write here. Tutankhamun. Tutankhamun. Written, write in neat and clean handwriting, children. Finished? The third number. Third number is, he hardly ever went to school but loved reading. He became one of the most famous presidents of United States of America in 2012. A movie was made about him. Who was he, children? Read it one more time. He hardly ever went to school. He loved reading. He became one of the most famous presidents of United States of America. And in 2012, a movie was made about him. Who was he? One more clue is there. He also wrote a letter to his principal. Yes, he was the Abraham Lincoln. Okay, write down with me. Write the spelling properly. A B R A H M. HM, no children, HAM. HAM, Abraham Lincoln, L capital, LINCON, Abraham Lincoln. Right. Then we'll see the fourth number. In 1854, with 38 other nurses, she looked after thousands of wounded British soldiers during the Crimean War. She was called the Lady with the Lamp. Who was she? In 1854, near about 2000 years ago, with 38 other nurses, she looked after thousands of wounded British soldiers during the Crimean War. She was called the Lady with the Lamp. Who was she? She was Florence Nightingale. Write down the spelling with me. FLO RENCE, Florence Nightingale. N capital, NIGHT INGALE. INGALE, Nightingale. See the picture, 4 number. Fifth number. She ruled England for 63 years. She was also the Empress of India. A monument in Kolkata was built in her memory. Who was she? Look at the picture number 5. She ruled England for 63 years. She was also the Empress of India. A monument in Kolkata was built in her memory. Who was she? What is the name? What do we call? It is Queen Victoria. Write down. QUEEN. It is Queen Victoria. V capital, VICTORIA. Queen Victoria. And last number, he was a British poet and playwright. He was also called the Bard of Avon. He was born in Stanford upon Avon in England. Some of his famous plays are Merchant of Venice, Hamlet, and Julius Caesar. Who was he? Famous poet, famous playwright. In the college also, children, nowadays we are using his poems and play as a part of our study in English literature. Yes, he was a very famous William Shakespeare. So write down the spelling. William, William William Shakespeare. Shakespeare. William Shakespeare. Yes, children. So everyone completed till here? Write in neat and clean handwriting and don't do any spelling mistake. Finished? Shall we erase it? Or if you want, you can pause this video and write down the answers. Okay? I am going to rough it, children. Okay? Now, on the page number 35, there is a quiz on religion. But before that, children, what is meant by religion? See, India is a land of religious pluralism. For example, Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Sikhism, Christianity, and several. With this, other religions have been coexisting and growing side by side in Indian society since ancient time. Children, religion means actually some group of the people which followed the particular techniques or which followed the particular rituals, we can call it. So that rituals, that group of people follow that particular religion, and they are the Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Sikhism, then Christianity, and several. So with this, other religions are also there in India who form the society since ancient times. So now in this quiz, we are going to see some information about the different religions. See here. All of us are what we call social animal. The man is a social animal. So from that, we are a part of this social life. Okay. So from that, some of us are Hindus, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, Jain, or Parsis. So we must respect all the religions. It is important to know about other religion also. Children, I follow this particular religion, then only I want to know the information about this religion. No, it is not like this. We have to respect all the religions, and it is our part of the study that we should know some information about the other religion also. Okay, so try this oral quiz to see how much you know about other religions. See here. First number. Which creature does Lord Ganesha ride on? You know this thing. On which creature the Lord Ganesha ride on? Yes, it's mouse. So write down Mouse. Okay. Then second number, the people of which faith follow the teaching of 24 teachers, or we can call it as a Tirthankars. What we call Tirthankars. So people of which faith follow these 24 teachers or Tirthankar, 24 Tirthankaras we call it as the. So which faith they follow these Tirthankaras? Yes, children. They are the Jain people, or we can call it as a Jainism. So write down Jainism. Third number, Muslims go on a pilgrimage to Makkah. What is the pilgrimage? What is this pilgrimage called? Makkah, Medina, this is the name of that pilgrimage. And Muslim people, they go to Makkah. So what is this pilgrimage called? Where it is? Yes, this is known as Hajj. Write down Hajj. Hajj. Fourth number is, on which day of the week do Muslims pray at mosque? On which day they pray at mosque? It is on Friday. So write down Friday. Fifth number, where do Paris go to worship or pray? Sorry, Parsis go, not Paris, extremely sorry. Parsis. Where do Parsis go to worship or pray? Just like Hindu people, they go in the temple. Muslim, they go in the mosque. Just like that, where do these Parsis go to worship or pray? They go to the fire temple. Write down FIRETEMPLE. Fire temple. TEMPLE. Fire temple. Sixth number, who were Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Angad and Guru Tegh Bahadur? Guru Arjan Dev, Guru Angad and Guru Tegh Bahadur. Who were Guru Arjan Dev? They are the Sikh Gurus. Write down, they are the Sikh. SIKHGURUJ. Sorry, GURUS. Sikh Gurus. Till here everyone completed? I want to rough this. Shall I? Good. Now 7th number. Lord Jesus Christ's mother was Mary. What was her husband's name? Do you know Lord Jesus Christ's mother was Mary? So what was her husband's name? It means what was the name of the father of the Jesus Christ? What was his name? His name was Joseph. Joseph. Write down. Joseph. Joseph. Eighth one. What do we call people who follow the teaching of Lord Buddha? What do we call the people who follow the teaching of Lord Buddha? What do we call them? They are known as Buddhist. What do we call them? Buddhist. Buddhists. Buddhists. And last one, Lord Jesus Christ was nailed to it and he died on it. What is it? Most of the time in the picture, in the images, we saw this, and this is the reality. This Lord Jesus Christ was nailed. Nailed means khila and all. Nailed on it and he died on it. What is it? What do we call it? It is cross. CROSS. It is cross. Have you completed, children, till here? Finished? Now here, children, in question number B, it is given that in your own find out book, make a list like this. What is the list about? Lakshmi, owl; Durga, lion; Saraswati, swan. It means, children, here are the different types of different god and they ride on what? That is the list. है ना? For example, Ganesh, Ganpati, mouse. है ना? Vishnu, snake. Datta, dog. So like that you have to write the name of the god and they ride on what? That also you have to write. Okay, so this one is the task for you. You have to complete it and submit it on the upload it on the drive which I sent you. And here is your homework, that is you have to find out a few facts about two people who lived long ago but not far away from where you live. This one and that list of god and they ride on what? These two homework for you. So you have to write it, click a photograph and upload it to the drive which I gave you, which yesterday only I sent you. Right? So in this way today we saw the famous historical people about them long ago, far away, and then we saw some information about the religion and according to that we solved some quiz upon that. So I hope till here everyone understood. Please complete your homework on time and upload it to your drive. You will see your particular name folder, in that particular subject folder, and there you will upload your homework and all. Okay, so till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Have a good day.